Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.
Welcome Loyalty Squad, this is the Velvetlox coming back to you with another awesome meal idea. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a really easy, fast, and healthy meal. So add this into your arsenal of healthy meal ideas. Now today I'm going to be doing a garlic and honey glazed shrimp. Now what I have in here is a little over a pound of shrimp. Okay, and these are jumbo size or large size. They don't look too large, but pretty decent sized shrimps. Okay, now my seasoning of choice today is going to be my soy sauce, my organic honey, some ginger root, a little garlic powder, and some minced garlic. Okay, now what you're also going to need is a pan because we're going to be skewing our shrimp. Okay, so first we're going to make our sauce. So what we're going to need in our separate bowl is 1 teaspoon of our garlic. This is my garlic paste. So I'm going to put in a teaspoon of my garlic paste. Next I'm going to be using 4 tablespoons of my honey. Next, I'm going to be using 2 tablespoons of my soy sauce. And next is going to be a half a teaspoon of our ginger root. Now what you're going to do is you're going to mince about a half a teaspoon. So I'll be right back. So I got a nice little piece of my ginger root, and I'm just going to grate it on the side. Okay. And that was about a half a teaspoon. Okay. So you're going to put that in your bowl as well. And we're just going to mix that up. Now being that I like things spicy, I'm also going to add in some red pepper flakes. Okay, and I would say about a teaspoon or half a teaspoon. Okay, so let's set this aside. So now what we're going to do is marinate our shrimp. Okay, now what I want to do is add a little black pepper to my shrimp. A little garlic powder. And a little bit of my seasoned salt. Just a little. Okay. We'll just mix that in a little bit. Now what you're going to do is you're going to divide your sauce into half. So you're going to divide your sauce in half, and then you're going to allow it to sit and marinate for at least 20 minutes in the refrigerator. So let's mix this up, get this nicely stirred up. Okay, just like so. Okay, the longer you leave it in there, the more tasty and flavorful your shrimp will be. So this is how it's going to look. Cover this up, put it in your refrigerator for 20 minutes. Alright you guys, so we are back, and my shrimp has been marinating for at least about 30 minutes or more. So what I'm going to do is just oil my pan a little bit with some extra virgin olive oil. Just a little bit. And make sure you heat your pan very hot. Then you take the rest of it and you just drizzle it all over it. And that's it, you guys. Your wonderful honey garlic flavored shrimps. Okay, delicioso. All right, now I'm going to show you what my meal looks like for tonight. Okay, you guys, and that's it. That is dinner for tonight. Okay, so you guys try this recipe. Let me know how you like it. This is another healthy meal idea for you to make. It's simple, it's easy. You scoop your shrimps, you make some potatoes on the side, and some asparagus or your favorite vegetables. Okay, these meal ideas are wonderful for weight loss. You can tweak them to whichever way you decide. Simple, easy, healthy meals. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe down below. Share these videos with your friends and family who are also on a healthy journey. If you want to see more meal ideas like this, don't forget to thumbs up this video. And if you're not a family member already, stop before you leave, hit that subscribe button, and also hit that notification bell so you will never miss another one of these wonderful videos. Until the next time, you guys, just remember your big sis and auntie loves you, and I will see you then. Welcome YouTube family, this is the Velvetlox introducing to you my new channel, and this channel is called Velvet Vlogs. On this channel you will see hair videos, skincare videos, as well as family vlogs, okay? So check it out, go down below, click those links, and subscribe as well as turn on your notification bell, and I will see you there.